This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Matthew Rubin. 2021 roof price to sell fast. Discover this stunning 5-bedroom, 3-bath triple split floor plan featuring a screened pool, raised spa, and long lake views. The spacious interior boasts 24 by 24 porcelain tile in common areas and brand new bedroom floors. The gourmet all-wood kitchen shines west/a double oven, high-end granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Updated bathrooms mirror the kitchen's wood cabinetry and granite finishes. Enjoy privacy on the huge covered lanai. A circular drive and 3-car garage provide ample parking. Located in the Isles at Wellington, a guard-gated luxury community offers A+ Wellington schools and low HOA fees, 24-hour security, cable, high-speed internet, and more. A renovated clubhouse with fitness center, pools, pickleball, tennis, and more. Virtually staged.